Hello guys, in this tutorial you will show you how to transfer money to someone using the Barclays mobile app. Start by opening the Barclays app on your smartphone. Enter your login details and sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will see your account overview screen. Next, tap on Pay and Transfer. This section allows you to transfer money between your own accounts or send money to other people. Select Pay a recent or new payee. If you have sent money to the person before, choose them from the list of recent payees. If you are sending money to someone for the first time, tap Add a new payee. Enter the recipient's payment details as requested. Make sure all the information is correct before continuing. Next, enter the amount of money you want to send. You will also see a reference field where you can add a short note explaining the payment. For example, you can enter rent, gift, or another description that helps the recipient identify the payment. Before sending the money, carefully review all the payment details, including the recipient's information, payment amount, and reference. If everything is correct, confirm the payment. For security, the Barclays app may ask you to enter your app PIN or passcode to authorize the transaction. Complete the verification to continue. Once the verification is complete, your payment will be processed and sent to the selected recipient. Your money transfer should now be completed successfully using the Barclays app. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below.